Hi guys, Cindy here. So today we're going to do something different and special for me anyway. So I got something in the mail from San Joe's Manufacturing. I get commercials from them all the time, but I didn't start getting commercials till after I did it. Anyway, I ordered myself a class ring because I'm supposed to be graduating in the summer, providing I pass this Lean Six Sigma class that I'm taking. Anyway, look what it came in. So I haven't seen it yet. So you guys get to see the first reaction. Hopefully it's going to fit. I was nervous. Ooh, look at this. What is this? Okay, it's a little ring box. And then it came in this. It says San Jose Jewelers. Let's see. Here's one. I didn't see one like this. I had to just order it myself. So they had a lot of samples and everything that you could pick from. So, oh, it fits. So my other ring, I wear my wedding ring here, and I was wearing an anniversary ring, a one-finger ring here that I bought myself. So it could be anything. And so I have to switch that both hands. So this will be, okay, it's not going to be too big. So I guess they handcrafted. I think they cast the seal themselves. I didn't get the Razorback because, you know, I'd never been to a game. I'm not into sports. So I got the building, the old main building. Let's see. Where is the camera at? So I hope y'all can say that good. They didn't have they just had a picture. They didn't have a ring with the Razorback on it already made. I guess most people get the Razorback. And so I got the split shank. This ring started off at like $1,500. It had, I don't know what, and it has diamonds around the side, and I got a split shank with diamonds on the shank. Let's see. And it's Old Main, which is a building in Fayetteville on campus. Anyway, so it's supposed to be silver. Is it silver? It looks a little different. You know, I didn't see one like this. It's you had yellow gold or silver, white gold, silver. And so it looks a little different. You know, it's not exactly silver like the ring, like I was thinking, like a quarter or something. But it's got silver, and then it's got some kind of little white, beige kind of, I don't know if it's paint or enamel underneath it. And these are supposed to be certified by the school. They're licensed, that's what I mean. And that's the reason it's expensive. And the frequently asked questions, it said, you know, do you ever have sales? And they said no, because they have to pay to license these coins, or seal. They call it a seal. And I call it a coin, but I guess it'd be a small coin. And so anyway, so there it is. I can wear it for its debut tomorrow. We're just trying it on now. I'm not going to wear it around the house. So do y'all like that? I'm proud. I didn't get anything from when I graduated my bachelor's degree. I didn't go to the graduation. I didn't get anything special. And this one here, I wasn't going to go to the graduation, but I did want something special because to me it was an accomplishment to get my master's degree. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for celebrating my good news with me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.